Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? So this is just going to be a straight on video. There's no script for this video, so my apologies if I'm stuttering. I'm running out of words. So what I wanted to show you today, I just wanted to show you guys how you can browse your internet for free without data. So this is my phone. I don't have data on my phone. I can just show you. So I'll just go to, I'm using Telkom, so I'll just type *100 and check my balance. Okay, this is what we have here. I don't have data, even if I try to just go online. Let me just do something simple. Let me just go to Spotify. It's gonna show you that I'm offline. See, I can't view any of the album arts. So let me just go to one of the albums. You see what happens. So what I'm gonna do now, let's just close this. Let me just close all apps. Okay, so you guys saw that I don't have any data. So the thing that you need to do is to just go to Google Play Store and download this application. It's HaTunnel. HaTunnel. Once you've done, just open it. I'll just go right ahead and open it. So this is HaTunnel. Obviously, you cannot just start your connection. Obviously, it's not going to work that way. There are certain configurations that you need to do. So fine, I'm using Telkom, so I need Telkom configurations. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave everything in the description. It's 2 files that you need to download. The first one, you can just download it on Play Store for safety reasons. And then this other one is a configuration file that's going to allow you to connect on internet for free. So all you need to do is just go to the three dots here and then click on import or export. Then select import. So once you're in import, you just want to go to the file that you've downloaded on the second link. It's a head file. So in my case, my head files are right here. Obviously, your head file is going to be in a different folder, probably on download folder. So just click on head file. It should look something like this. When it looks something like this, all you need to do is to just select start. Wait for it to load, and you are connected. That's simple. So now, let's test if this is working. We're gonna go back to Spotify. Here is Spotify. And for instance, let's just listen to a podcast. I'll just select any podcast. I'll just open and play the podcast.
This episode of the Waveform Podcast is brought to you by Monday.com. So whether you're managing a team at a big corporation...
So you see guys, this thing works perfectly. Okay, on the next video, I'm just going to explain to you how this application works. What are the things that you need to do? What are the things that you don't need to do? And what are the things to avoid? So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on my next video.